Plate loading shoulder press. So first thing to take note is that the arms work individually, so make sure that you load the same weight onto each side for me. The seat, we will adjust in a second once we know where we're actually going to be sat. So that for me is actually sitting below my shoulder. So that means that when I come into position, it's actually going to be too low and I've got to push from too much of a negative angle. So I'm just going to adjust my seat. I need to drop my seat lower. So to do that, I'm going to take the pin out and I'm just going to tilt the seat just to drop it down to the level that's relevant for me. Once I'm happy, I'm going to go back and just check it. Yeah, so now you can see it's just sat above my shoulder. So when I actually come into position, get the grip around the middle, looking up, I'm going to drive up and back. Again, not allowing my arms to lock out. So I'm happy with the movement and the setup there. I'm going to load the weight on. Okay, now we're good to start. So have my seat, head back, pushing my back into the backrest. Get your hands on the middle of the grip, looking up, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to drive up and overhead. Pause with a little bend in my arms. Bring the arms down, taking the elbows out to the side. Pause with the weight loaded in my shoulders, and then slowly start to bring the elbows back in towards the midline, as if I'm bringing my biceps onto my ears. Take the elbows away from the body, pause with the tension in my shoulders, bring the biceps back in towards the ears. The slower we go, the better, just demonstrating control, and we're not locking out. We're also not allowing our shoulders to come out of the sockets or wriggling towards the top. So it's always pinching the shoulder blades back. Nice, slow, and controlled movement throughout. When you're finished, all the way down and then off.